Hey guys, this is Tech Racer, and today I'm going to see how you can format your hard disk or the external hard disk so that it can be detected by any Windows, Mac or both of the platforms. Natively, any hard drive that you buy is by default formatted to NTFS partition, and which can be only detected by the Windows computers. And it cannot be detected by the Mac OS. And if you want to get the hard drive detected by Mac OS, then you have to format it to the Mac OS extended journalist form file system. But both of them can't work at a time, so we have to work around with it, and we have to format it to a new file system which is ExFat. So ExFat will be detected by both the Windows computer as well as the Mac computer. So we are going to format this drive using a Windows computer to ExFat file system so that it can be detected by both the platforms. So without any further delay, let's get started. So as you can see, this is the WD My Passport hard drive, and it's completely new. So by default, it would be formatted to the NTFS file system. So nothing else in the box. As you can see, it's only hard drive and the cable. Actually, this is the replacement unit, so I didn't got the actual box of the hard drive, but it's completely new hard drive, and this is the USB 3 hard drive. So let's quickly get back to the computer in order to format this drive. So guys, we are back on the computer part. So this is the hard drive, and I am simply gonna connect the cable, and I will simply connect it to any USB port on the computer. So once it gets detected, simply go to this PC. So as you can see, there is My Passport, and it's completely empty, as you can see. And let me show you the existing file system, and it's actually NTFS, so we have to format it to ExFat so that it can be detected by Mac OS as well. So simply right click on it, click on format, and simply select the file system as ExFat, as you can see. So simply select it, and if you want to give it a name, you can simply give it, and simply click on start and click on OK. Now it will format the drive. As you can see, format complete. So the drive is formatted successfully. And again, make sure you back up your stuff on the drive before proceeding, because we are going to format the drive. Now let's check the properties, and as you can see, file system has ExFat. So let me remove the drive and plug it again. As you can see, it's successfully getting detected, and the file system is ExFat. So guys, this is how you can simply format the drive so that it can be detected by, or it could work with both the Mac OS as well as Windows PC. So this is pretty much it for this video, guys. If you found this video really helpful, then do that like button and subscribe button, and stay tuned for more such videos. So thank you guys, thanks for watching.